नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Good morning to you all. How are you all? Hope you are all well. Okay, my dear kids. So we finished the first lesson, isn't it? So have you understand the lesson? Is it funny for you? Okay, my dear kids. Have you read the lesson? Please read. Okay, my dear kids. Reading is very important. Please read. How much as much as you can read daily. Okay. Don't want to read full and all. Okay. Then take page number 9. Take page number 9. Down of that you can see. Okay, let me explain something. Okay, my dear kids. Saknya. See if what is your name, your name, your mother name, your father name, one place name, like name of a person is your name, like Needu, Diya, like Nandana, more I forgot. Okay, now I am Nadania. More are there. So the name of a person, that your name is a name of a person. Okay, your place and all, you are from Karingal, Palliyadi or Takkale, like that, and also that is a name of a place. Then name of an object or a table, chair, like door, like that. So many things are there, isn't it? Your toys. So that is a name of an object. So these everything, the names of some objects, names of a place, names of your person, that everything we can together we will call as noun, isn't it? In English we will tell noun. In Hindi what we will tell? Saknya. Okay. So किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के नाम बताने वाले शब्द संज्ञा कहलाते हैं. नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन, नेम ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट और नेम ऑफ ए प्लेस, we call it as संज्ञा. Okay. उदाहरण, example what and all? Ram, Mace, Karingal. Ram means the name of a person. Mace means table is a name of an object. Karingal is the name of a place. So etc. etc. So many are there. So like this we will call together. What we will tell? Saknya. Okay, take your textbook and page number 9. You down you see बातें फाशा की. There you can see संज्ञा के 3 भेद हैं. व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक. We learned the संज्ञा. But what are the types of संज्ञा? That we are going to study today. Okay, up of this you have to write today's date. Ma'am forgot to write. So you should write. Okay, what is the date today? 13/10/2020. What is the date today? Mangalwar. Write that. Mangalwar. Write up of it. Okay, don't write like this, up of it. Okay. Then what is that? संज्ञा के 3 भेद है. व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक. व्यक्तिवाचक means name of a person. जातिवाचक means name of a like what we will tell, jati, family. We will explain. Okay, my dear kids, take next page. Take next page, everyone. Text page means 11th page. You can see the 11th page on chart is there, isn't it? On chart. See, we learned that संज्ञा having 3 types, isn't it? But according to English, we will tell the nouns having 5 types, isn't it? Nouns are of 5 types. So like that in Hindi also they divided that संज्ञा into 5 types. You can see that संज्ञा भेद at the center. You can see संज्ञा भेद. What is that? First one, व्यक्तिवाचक. Then second one, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक. Then fourth one, new one, द्रव्यवाचक. And last one, समूहवाचक. Okay, व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक, द्रव्यवाचक and समूहवाचक. Okay, these are the types of संज्ञा. What are they? व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक, द्रव्यवाचक and समूहवाचक. Okay, my dear kids, what are they? We will learn. Okay, first one, व्यक्तिवाचक. जो शब्द किसी विशेष व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान का ज्ञान करते हैं उसे व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. व्यक्तिवाचक means one particular person or object or place. Only for that particular person or that particular thing or that particular object we will tell us what? व्यक्तिवाचक. जो शब्द किसी विशेष व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान का ज्ञान कराते हैं उसे व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. Example, you see Nelson Mandela is a person. Nelson Mandela only having that name, isn't it? That Nelson Mandela name, if we are telling, means that is a person. Then next Hindi, our textbook name only next Hindi. That is the name of this textbook. Pustak. Next Hindi Pustak, that is only book. Then Lal Kila is a name of a place, etc. Adi. So these are the Vyaktivachak. Then Jadivachak. Left side you see, my dear kids. जातिवाचक. जो शब्द एक ही जाति के प्राणियों व वस्तुओं का ज्ञान कराते हैं. जो शब्द एक ही जाति के प्राणियों व वस्तुओं का ज्ञान कराते हैं. लाइक वन एनिमल, वी विल से लायन. For all the lion we will call lion, isn't it? For all the boys we will call boy. For all the girls we will call girl. For all the books we will call book. For all the pencil we will call pencil. So for that another name is there, but together we will call what? That pencil, box, then boy, girl, lion, tiger. For that, so we will keep on name, that is another one. This together what we will call? That is जातिवाचक. Okay, जो शब्द एक ही जाति, only one जाति will be there, प्राणियों व वस्तुओं का ज्ञान कराते हैं उसे we will call as जातिवाचक. That particular, that for commonly we will call common noun. Okay, commonly what we will call? That is only जातिवाचक. That for pencil, pencil, pen, pen, lion, lion, tiger, tiger. So like that. So isn't it, that is जातिवाचक. Okay, my dear kids. Then भाववाचक. भाववाचक, भाव, what is that? Feelings. What is the feelings? That feelings we will call. जो शब्द अलग अलग मनोभावों, गुणों, अवस्थाओं का ज्ञान कराते हैं. जैसे हंसी, लाफिंग, हरियाली, ग्रीनरी, बचपन, चाइल्डहुड, बूढ़ापा, ओल्ड एज. So these conditions and feelings and conditions of the person or of the thing we will call as what? भाववाचक विशेषण. जो शब्द अलग अलग मनोभावों, गुणों, अवस्थाओं का ज्ञान कराते हैं उसे भाववाचक संज्ञा. That is, or each and everyone's feelings, that characters, that conditions we will call as भाववाचक संज्ञा. That is हंसी, laughing, smiling, that greenery. What is the condition of the nature? It's greenery. So what is the condition of your life? Your child, is it? So childhood. So your grandparents and all old age. That is like that only. That is the भाववाचक संज्ञा. Then द्रव्यवाचक. This is the fourth one. द्रव्यवाचक means, द्रव्य means liquid. What and all is subject is there, what and all things is there in the liquid state, that we call as द्रव्यवाचक. Easy only. द्रव्यवाचक means it's in liquid state. Liquid. जो शब्द द्रव्य या तरल पदार्थों का ज्ञान कराते हैं. Like water, milk, juice, then chai, tea, then that and all we will call as what? What we will call as द्रव्यवाचक. जो शब्द द्रव्य या तरल पदार्थों का ज्ञान कराते हैं उसे द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. जैसे तेल. तेल means oil. तेल means what? Oil. पानी, water. If you want meaning means you can write on the top of it. तेल means oil, O-I-L, oil. Then पानी means water. Chai, tea, we know that. Sona means gold. That is also from liquid only it is coming as gold. So that is also a liquid. द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. Okay, but these are the द्रव्यवाचक. Then last one is समूहवाचक. जो शब्द किसी समूह का ज्ञान कराते हैं. Like समूह, together, what we will call together, कक्षा, class, school, grade, सेना, soldiers, then दल, what we will say, that crowd, then feed, that also crowd. So together, so many people together, समूहवाचक. plural words, like so many together we will call what? Like students. That is समूहवाचक. So that this is the समूह. जो शब्द किसी समूह का ज्ञान कराते हैं, जैसे कक्षा, कक्षा means classes, सेना, soldier, like that, together we will call us what? समूहवाचक संज्ञा. Okay my dear kids, then take next page, page number 12. You can see some questions and all. You keep your pencil with you. Okay my dear kids, निम्न सब शब्दों से भाववाचक संज्ञाएं बनाकर अपनी कार्य पुस्तिका में लिखें. निम्न शब्दों से भाववाचक संज्ञाएं बनाकर. Some words are there that you have to change into भाववाचक संज्ञा. भाववाचक संज्ञा, what we learned according to the feelings or conditions of that what situations, you have to change that one, conditions or feelings. That is the भाववाचक संज्ञा. So some words are there, you have to change into भाववाचक. Okay, जातिवाचक, first column you see जातिवाचक संज्ञा से, जातिवाचक संज्ञा से, this one जातिवाचक संज्ञा. So these are the जातिवाचक, down it is given some जातिवाचक. जातिवाचक means which is the common noun. See, we will say like जातिवाचक संज्ञा, what we learned, जातिवाचक संज्ञा is like a lion, tiger, girl, boy, that are the जातिवाचक. From that you have to change into what? भाववाचक संज्ञा. So one it is given शिक्षक. शिक्षक means teacher. What will be the condition of a teacher? What is the situation of a teacher? Shiksha. Isn't Shiksha means education. So the teacher teaching. That one. Teacher, Shiksha, teaching. So down Pashu. What will be the answer? Pashu, Pashuta. So the answer I will give. Okay my dear kids, copy that in your textbook. Pashu will come as Pashuda. Then Manushya, Manushada. Human, humanity. Bhai, Bhaichara. Neta, Netrut. Like that, second column Sarvanam says. Sarvanam means pronoun. Sarvanam what? Pronoun. Pronoun. From pronouns you have to make aham, ahangar. Aham is sarvanam, so ahangar. Paraya, paraya, pan. Sarv, sarvut, like that. So these all. Then visheshan. Visheshan means adjective. From adjective. Adjective. Visheshan means adjective. Then kriya means verb. So this you have to change in भाववाचक संज्ञा. So this one. Then khatta, khatas. This is khatta is visheshan. Khatas is भाववाचक संज्ञा. Lamba, lamba is visheshan. Lambai is भाववाचक संज्ञा. Buddhiman is visheshan. Buddhimani, that भाववाचक संज्ञा, like that. Then kriya se, from verb thakna, feeling tired, thakan, tiredness. Muskana, to smile, like smile, to smile. Then muskan, smile. Then uchalna, kudna, jumping. Uchal kud, jump. Then utarna, falling down. So utarna, like that. Rona, crying, rulai, like that. So that much will come. So this one I will see, this is the answer for that. See, only answer it is given. Okay my dear kids, see the word and find out the words and write near to that. Write near to that in the textbook itself. No, don't want to write anywhere else. Write neatly on the textbook with the pencil and take a snapshot and send it to me. Okay my dear kids. Okay, copy this in your textbook. These are the answers only I am given. So write the answers according to the questions. Then next you see second question. गद्यांश में दिए रंगीन संज्ञा शब्दों के सही भेद का नाम लिखें. दिए गद्यांश, दिस इज द पैरा, इट इज गिवन रंगीन शब्दों में, कलर्ड संज्ञा शब्दों. द गिवन कलर्ड वर्ड्स आर द संज्ञा शब्द, नाउन वर्ड्स. So सही भेद का नाम लिखें. Which type it is, you have to write on that, up of it. Okay my dear kids, you take one pencil and only that red word I am going to read. First word khar. Khar, what is the khar? what will be the which type of word is that? Kar, Jadivajak. Okay, up of that you put only ja. Then from that you can find out that that is Jadivajak Saknya. Okay, up of that you should write only ja. Okay, my dear kids. Then up next to that dostom. Dostom what? Dostom also Jadivajak. Write that ja. Then Rishtadarom. Rishtadaram also Jadivajak. Write that also ja. So ja means Jadivajak. Okay, my dear kids. Then finished. Then next. Rauni is a name of a person, isn't it? So what it will be? Vyakti, Vya. You write Vya. Vya there. Vyakti. It's a name of a person. So you should write Vya. Then Bacha. What it will be? Bacha is also Jadivajak. So Ja. That is also a common noun. So Ja. Then next what will come? Khushi. Khushi, happiness. So feelings, isn't it? So Bhavavajak. Right there. Bha. Then next what? Nana Nani. Nana Nani, who together we will call for whom? Grandparents together we will call Nana Nani. So Ja. Then Ma. Also Ja, isn't it? That is also a Jadivajak. Then Pitaji also Ja. So everything Ja, mostly Ja only. Only one or two only, another one, isn't it? So copy this also. Okay, my dear kids. Then we finish the textbook exercise. Then you have to take Pustak B. Activity book. One another book is there now. Activity book. In that first lesson, that is question answer, that I will send answers. You have to copy it only. Then page number 2. You take page number 2. Page number 2. There it is 4 columns are there, isn't it? What you have to do now? Chitra kada banaye. You have to draw the pictures. नया मेहमान कहानी को चित्रकथा के रूप में प्रदर्शित करें. You have to show the story through pictures. That Naya Mehman. First lesson we learned na, from that textbook. That textbook's pictures you have to draw here. One picture. But in order, okay. You can see in that textbook. So many pictures are there. By seeing that you can draw something here. Okay, but in order you should write. This after last scene you should not write draw on the first column like that. First what happened that you should write. Then second what happened, like that order it should be. So like that you should. This is the assignment for you. So do that. Okay, my dear kids, and take a snapshot and send it to me. What is the assignment today? Do page number 2 in Pustak B book. Draw pictures related to the story Naya Mehman. Should be in order. You should write in order. That's all, my dear kids. I am sending the notes today. You have to copy it in your single line notebook and finish it fast and send it to me by taking a snapshot. Okay, my dear kids. Dhanyavad.